comes. She's riding. She's going so fast. It's Lila. Lila.
I just followed. I couldn't stop. Really.
Oh. And here comes Sulia. She's
I'm going around.
making her way. Yeah, let's see who wins. She's coming. It's like a slow-mo movie. Here she comes. Was that great? You were great. You were great. You were great. You were. Well, I kind of want to go home. All right, go ahead. Woohoo! Dog park. Lila in the distance. She's in the front. She's in the lead. Followed by Boy in the Park, followed by Babysitter Abigail and Sulia over there. There she is, a distant fourth. Plugging along. Good job, Sul. Oh. And here they come. It's a 1-2 finish. And it's Lila. Awesome. And a dog. More dogs. Lots of... And it's Lila for the win. That was fantastic. Where's your sister? There she is. Making her way. Good job, Sul.